I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be before telling the topic of today's video, let me make an announcement. So I'll be starting a series called Navratri series, wherein I'll be posting a video every single day of Navratri. So what I'll be doing is I'll be doing the makeup tutorial and a makeup look of all the Navdurga avatars of Navratri, and yeah, I'll be sharing it with you guys. Guys, I've worked really hard for this series. I've spent a lot of time, money and hard work for this series. So I hope you guys really enjoy this series. If you do, then please do share it with your family and friends. And yeah, today's video is going to be on the day 1 of Navratri. So the avatar of the day 1 of Navratri is Devi Shailaputri. So today we're going to be doing the makeup look and makeup tutorial of Devi Shailaputri. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So yeah, before starting, I have tied my hair into a ponytail and clipped my bangs away so that I can do my makeup without any interruption. And yeah, let's start. So firstly, I'll be using this aloe vera gel. So this is the Vaseline aloe gel. So I don't know why, but I just feel like using it because it would probably make my base makeup very better. So I'm just applying it. Guys, I've bought this new mirror which is very similar to my old gold colored mirror. So this is in silver color just for the sake of this series. So you might know the hard work that I'm putting into this series. So I have nicely put the aloe vera gel. Now let's move on. So now I'll be using the Colourbar Flawless Finish Primer. Now that I'm done with the primer, I'll be using the OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now I'll be using this flat top kabuki brush in order to blend my foundation. Now I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer to conceal around my eyes. So now I'm going to be using this concealer around my nose as well because I have observed that I have a little bit of redness in this area. So it's going to cover it up, and over here in my chin area. Now I'll be blending this concealer using this round fluffy brush. And also guys, I forgot to tell you that I have been running a giveaway on my community tab, so make sure to check it out and do participate in that if you haven't already. The rules are very simple and you'll be getting exciting prizes for that. So you can participate till October 15th, so you have chance up to October 15th, so make sure to participate in the giveaway. So what I've thought is I'm going to be doing the base makeup normally as I do in every other makeup look, but the eye makeup is going to be very different from what I usually do. So I really don't have much going on my mind right now, but I do have some inspiration, so I'm going to be using it and I'm going to try to create some good eye makeup. So yeah, I'll be first starting by filling my eyebrows using the dark brown bronzer, and I'll be using a flat shader brush to fill in my eyebrows. You can say that I have made it quite thick, but I'll be using a concealer and try to clean it out. So I'll be doing the same thing to this eyebrow and then come back. So I'm done with filling my eyebrows. Now it's time to clean them out using a concealer. So I'll be using the same Swiss Beauty liquid concealer to conceal or clean out the eyebrow edges. So I have applied the concealer pretty much like an outline to my eyebrows, and then I'll be using a brush to just blend it out. So what happens by cleaning out your eyebrows is that it gives you a precise shape and also the precise thickness that you want to your eyebrows. I'm taking a random brush to just blend the concealer over this area. So this is like a flat fluffy brush, so I'm using this. So I'm blending it downward so that all the excess concealer can come down to my eyelids, and I can use that as an eye base. Now I'm taking this old mascara spoolie which I've cleaned it out, and I'm just going to be brushing it out. See how precise my eyebrows are at this point. So similarly, I'll be doing the same thing to this eyebrow and then the back. So I'm done cleaning out this eyebrow as well. So let's move on to the next process. So after doing a lot of research, I found out that Devi Shailaputri saree color is saffron or light orangish color. So I'm going to be doing my eye makeup to match the light orangish saree color. For this makeup look, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette. So I'm using this flat shader brush in order to pick this shadow up here. So I'm going to be doing like a brown smoky eye look. So I'll be first starting with my inner corner. And you can tell that using this brush isn't helping out much. So I'll be using my finger in order to apply this shadow. I'm blending the same shadow in my crease as well. Now I'll be applying the same eyeshadow almost towards the end of my eye, but not in the outer corner. So I'll be applying it over here. Now I'll be picking up this shimmer shade over here and I'll be applying it in the center of my eyes. Now I'll be picking up both of these brown shadows over here and I'll be using this round fluffy brush and blend it towards my outer corner to create a smoky effect. Now that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing the same to this eye and then be back. So now I'm done with this eye as well. So let's move on to the next step, which is eyeliner. So now I'll be using the Miss Ads eyeliner to apply my eyeliner. So I'm going to create like a dramatic wing eyeliner. So yeah, let's get started. You can see this is how the tip of the eyeliner looks like. Similarly, I'm going to do the same to this eye as well. So I'm done with the eyeliner. I know that they look a little bit different now, but once I'm done applying the eyelashes, they will look similar. So now I'll be applying a kajal, and I'll be using the Plum Natural Studio Kohl Kajal. So this is a very black and intense kajal, so I'm going to be using this one. You can see I've applied the kajal. Now I need to apply mascara. I'll be first curling my eyelashes using this eyelash curler by Miniso. Now I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. So I'll quickly apply the mascara off camera and then be back. So I'm done coating my top eyelashes and my bottom eyelashes both with mascara. So now I'll be applying false eyelashes off camera and then I'll come soon. So you guys can see I'm done applying the false eyelashes. Now I'm going to be using a loose powder to set my under eyes and the rest of my face. So I'm using this Lakme Rose powder as a loose powder in order to set my face and my under eyes. So now that we are done with our eye makeup, let's move on to our rest of the base makeup. So first I'll be contouring, and for contouring I'll be using this brown colored lipstick. So I'll be using this as a contour stick and I'll be contouring my nose and my face. Using this very lightly because it's very pigmented. And I'll be using my finger to just blend it in. So now that we are done contouring our face also, let's move on to application of blush. Using the same Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette for my blush, and I'll be using this shade as my blush. You can see I'm using this blush brush to apply my blush. I'll be highlighting my face using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, and I'll be using this flat fluffy brush for highlighting my face. Now we are pretty much done with the makeup. The last step is to apply a lipstick. Now as the sari color is orange, I'll be using some sort of like a coral shade. So in order to match the sari, using this Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Craving Coral. So it's like perfect coral color. This is how it looks like. So I'll be using this now. We are all done with the makeup. The last step is to fix your makeup using a makeup fixer. Now I don't have a makeup fixer, so I'll be using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner as my makeup fixer. So what it does is, it makes your makeup last longer and it kind of settles down all the makeup together. So we're going to be doing this. Now the main part you have to keep in your mind is that you need to cover your eyes and then spray it on, because you don't want to ruin your eye makeup. So yeah, we are pretty much done with the makeup. Now I need to wear my costume, jewelry, bindi and everything, and then I'll be back. And yeah.
वन्दे वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रार्थकृतशेखरां रुषारूढां शूलधारं शैलपुत्रीं यशस्विनीं वन्दे वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रार्थकृतशेखरां रुषारूढां शूलधारं शैलपुत्री यशस्विनीं वन्दे वाञ्छितलाभाय चन्द्रार्थकृतशेखरां रुषारूढां शूलधारं शैलपुत्रीं यशस्विनीम् ॐ शं शैलपुत्रीदेव्यै नमः। 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 ॐ शं शैलपुत्रीदेव्यै